Ah, another day at the helm. I pride myself on being consistent, always steering the team with a steady hand. They may not always see it, but I know I'm the rock they can rely on. Take last month's project, for example. I outlined the strategy clearly, or so I thought. Yet somehow deadlines shifted, priorities wavered. But hey, that's just fine-tuning, right? Sure, they grumbled about mixed messages and shifting priorities. But what do they know? I've got a vision, a plan. It's their job to keep up, not mine to explain every twist and turn. Remember that brainstorming session? I laid out my vision, crystal clear. Sure, I hear the whispers about my leadership style. John's all over the place, they mutter behind closed doors. Little do they realize, it's all part of the grand strategy. They say I need to listen more, be more consistent. But I am consistent. In my vision, in my drive for success. They'll thank me when they see the bigger picture unfold. But lately, productivity seems to be slipping, deadlines missed, morale dipping. Could it be my leadership style? Nah, it's just a minor hiccup. The team will bounce back. In the end, they may call it inconsistency, but I call it leading from the front. They may not always see the path, but I know we're heading in the right direction. Besides, haven't you heard? Steve Jobs was known for his erratic leadership style, too. Look where it got Apple, innovating like never before. Sometimes you have to break a few rules to set new standards.
A business or HR leader, then this is an excellent challenge for you. So don't forget to subscribe right now so you don't miss out the next valuable insights and tools and guidelines from us. Are you a business or HR leader, then this is an excellent challenge for you. So don't forget to subscribe right now so you don't miss out the next valuable insights and tools and guidelines from us.